Rotarian Dr. Pradeep Wagh, Counselor, Peace Building and Conflict Prevention, RID 3131. He is a visionary, a man of foresight and determination. I request him to give the introductory remarks.
Good evening and welcome once again to all. Also good morning, good afternoon, depending on wherever you are in the world's time zones. I'm requested to give the introductory remarks, which I presume means recapitulating what we heard yesterday and talking a little bit about today. So yesterday we began with the words of RI President Shekhar Mehta ji that humanity cannot survive without love and peace. What a profound statement it is. In RID 3131, we also explained yesterday that we began seriously thinking about peace when we organized an International Understanding and Peace Symposium in 2017, which gave us many insights into what peace means for Rotary purposes. Also, the Rotary Peace Awards were instituted from that year onwards. Especially what we came to know in our Peace Symposium was about track 2 diplomacy. This we came to know from some of the ambassadors who had addressed us, that while track 1 diplomacy builds bridges between governments to governments and tries to bring peace in the world on a country to country basis, it is the track 2 diplomacy between people, ordinary people like Rotarians, their connections, their thought exchanges, their convergence of projects which they do together, which gives a strong foundation for any two countries or two regions to remain in peace. So according to this, we organized a number of educational webinars last year, in which almost 400 people from all over South Asia had participated. And RI President Shekhar Mehta ji gave away the awards for the business plan competition. Also, during my own personal visits in Rotary to various countries like Nepal, US, Canada, etc., I found that even though the people are of different cultures, different languages, different pursuits in different parts of the world, once they become Rotarians, their goal becomes convergent, with that of fellowship, service, and peace. So from this International Peace Conference, what we are expecting, and I think it has given that result even after one day of conference, is that it may serve as good Rotary gangplanks between the districts who are participating and help us to have convergent projects of fellowship, service, and positive peace. So we had excellent speakers yesterday. Mr. Petro from Nigeria, Rotarian Petro. His approach towards peace in Nigeria is amazing, awesome. He's a person to be talked to. Then we had someone who talked to us about Bhagavad Gita, someone who talked to us about dance. I never thought that the gestures of dance could be used as a means of peace of mind. Then we had Kalika who talked about Bhagavad Gita and peace. And finally, Dr. Thomas, who was very prominent in the view he expressed that why should there be only a history of wars? Why not a history of peace? It made a big sense to me as an individual, and I think to many of us who attended. Yes, why not have a history of peace so that people come to know how peaceful people are and what pursuits they do so as to remain a peaceful society. Let us not forget that Earth, for several billion light years all around the Earth, is the only living place in the universe that we have got. And it's the only place where we can live like brothers and sisters in peace together. Today we have got further very good liners. RI President Shekhar Mehta ji is going to speak to us. He's going to give the keynote address. Already Vivek has mentioned that RI Director Mahesh Kotbagi will speak. Our DG Pankaj Shah, I must compliment him because he's the first district governor who has brought out peace from a combination of avenues and given it as respect as a separate avenue. No wonder things have improved now in terms of its implementation. And then we have Alison, who has already joined us from UK, and other two speakers from Austria and USA. So the wonderful lineup, and not to forget that we are also going to have Rotarian Shailesh Palekar, our PDG, who is himself a very erudite speaker on various subjects connected with Rotary and peace. So I'm quite sure it's going to be an equally exciting evening. Yesterday was exciting, today is more exciting. So wish you all the best and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Rotarian Dr. Pradeep.